Good afternoon, students. I hope you will be having good health at home. Today, we will continue the same chapter number 3 of history, the first farmers and herders. Invention of the wheel. The invention of wheel was one of the most important achievement of man in the Neolithic age. The earliest evidence of the wheel dates back to 3500 BC in Mesopotamia, in modern-day Iraq. As a result, a wheeled cart appeared. It helped to move heavy load from one place to another and made travel easier and comfortable. It also helped to develop the art of spinning and weaving. Next one, pottery. Man needed pots to store grains, food, milk, and water. Firstly, he wove baskets out of wild grass. But with the help of the potter's wheel, he made pots of different shapes and sizes. He learned to bake clay vessels on fire. You can see in the picture different types of pots with different designs. Houses. Neolithic people gave up their nomadic lifestyle. They left the nomadic lifestyle and settled down in safe and comfortable houses. And these houses in the Neolithic age were totally different from the Paleolithic and the Mesolithic periods. Mud houses with thatched roofs started appearing with plaster coated on the walls. You can see in the picture a Neolithic house. Community life or the social life. Neolithic people started to live in small villages. The concept of families came into being. The families in the village were closely related, shared the customs, beliefs, and methods of worship. A group of such families is called a tribe. The people of Neolithic village carried out activities like farming, herding, hunting, gathering, and fishing in groups. The eldest and the ablest man was the leader. He made rules and regulations for the entire tribe. Women. Women took care of home and children, and they performed light agriculture tasks like sowing, harvesting, protecting crops from pests. Then religion. Neolithic people worshipped water, fire, rain, and thunder, as also the sun, the earth, and the stars. Disposal of the dead or megaliths. Mega means large and liths means stone. When the Neolithic people buried their dead, they mark burial places with huge rectangular blocks of stone called megaliths. You can see in the map different sites like Paleolithic sites, Mesolithic sites, Neolithic sites, and megalithic sites. Later on, we will fill in the map of history. This shows that the Neolithic man believed in life after death. Cremation was also practiced कि लोगों का दाह संस्कार भी किया जाता था उस समय पे. Then case study. Mehergarh. an important Neolithic site. Mehergarh is considered an important place located in the plain near the Bolan Pass in present-day Pakistan. It is a Neolithic site dated back to about 7000 to 3200 BC. Houses. The village had rectangular houses made of mud and mud bricks. Some of the houses had several rooms, and some rooms were used for storing grains. Farming and herding. People grew wheat, barley, and cotton and kept cattle, sheep, goats, and buffaloes, etc. Terracotta figurines from Mehergarh. Tools. Polished stone tools like axes and chisels have been found. Microliths and bone tools have been found. In the picture, we can see the stone and slab used for grinding. Pottery. During the Neolithic age, people at many places like Mehergarh learned to make pottery on the potter's wheel, and he painted designs on some of their pots. Disposal of the dead. Different types of graves have been found at different places. At Mehergarh, the dead were buried in pits and sometimes with the domestic animals. The animals could have been meant to serve as food for the dead. Deojali Hadding is a Neolithic site located in the hills near the Brahmaputra Valley in the state of Assam. Stone tools such as mortars and pestles have been found. Discoveries, exhibitions have revealed handmade pottery. In which color? Grey or brown. Land was cleared for farming by burning the forest and cereals were grown. Then the next age is known as Chalcolithic age, and the Neolithic age was followed by the Chalcolithic age. In this age, people started to use metals. Copper was the first metal to be used by them. This period is called Chalcolithic age or the Copper Stone age, and it extended from roughly 4000 BCE to 2000 BCE and was a period of transition from Stone Age to Metal Age. Humans learned the art of making bronze, an alloy of copper, by mixing copper and tin. Chalcolithic settlements were found in most parts of India. They domesticated animals such as cows, buffaloes, goats, pigs, sheep, and even camels. They used pottery and decorated them with beautiful designs. Spinning and weaving was also done in this age. Indus Valley civilization belonged to the Chalcolithic age. In Greek, chalco means copper and lithos means stones. So this age can be called Copper Stone Age. So students, in this chapter we have read about the Mesolithic age, Neolithic age and the Chalcolithic age. And if you have any doubt, you can contact on my WhatsApp. Thank you.